Today, I want to talk about the philosophy of recording all your ideas, even if they sound horrible. I think a lot of producers wait until they have the perfect melody or the perfect sound or setup, but most good ideas do not arrive fully formed. Sometimes you have to play something that's awkward, something that's off, or sound completely wrong. But there is still one small part of it that's worth keeping. But you cannot work with an idea that you have never recorded. So today, I'm going to show you the same philosophy that I use in all my tracks that I've released so far, and that has helped me generate over 20 million streams on all streaming platforms. So without wasting any time, let's hop onto FL Studio and let me show you how I do it. I was just messing around with the piano, and this is what we have right now. And using the same melody, I wrote this. I'm thinking of doing like a Christmas song, Christmas jingly vibe. Let's see what we can do about it. Bass time. Sounds good. We'll make the changes a bit later. Time to add some guitar. Let's do something else, like add a piano, another piano. Yeah, that's it for now. Let me just show you the final beat of what we made and the philosophy of just record.